y'all, this is how we jive from mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this, I'm going to show you how you can check all recorded video in your Tapo app. So you have Tapo app connected with your Tapo camera, and let's go to the app first. Let's go inside the app. So notification, when you hit, you can see recently recorded video here. I click this one and you can see recently recorded video from your security camera. But how you can see the old one is not appear. You see I have 11 notification yesterday only. I don't have more older version. So in this case you have to go to your camera. So here I have many cameras. So I go Harry's door. Here we go, Harry's door. Here the bottom playback and download option, hit this one. So when it's come, this is a live version of the camera is here, and playback you have many events here. You have recorded some of them but not all of them, but here you can see the calendar option, hit date, and open calendar option. So this is April 2024, then March, you can go to February, then January, then December. Many month is recorded here. 4 or 5 months normally is recorded. So December, some event I want to open. I hit 24 December and recorded option here. I hit this one to see, and it's playing 24 December here. This one is playing now. Somebody was crossing my stage. So very easy option. You go to calendar, you can see all the old recorded video. Depend on the memory card, you can save for a long time, 4 or 5 months. Okay guys, this is the way you can find all recorded video in your Tapo link. If you guys like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.